Hello, beautiful people. This is Sudha, your communication coach. I'm back again with my pep talk, Be Spoken and Be Heard's pep talk. And yes, today, like I missed my guest inviting her, and since the weather wasn't really uh, in favor of us, so we have to cancel that show. But today we are going to do it again, and I have Shreya Kapoor with me from Kanpur. She is a versatile singer, performer, and she's been started learning classical music, and she's quite popular in Kanpur as a rising star kid. And she's also, been part of many reality shows, especially Colors Channel, where she has done some promotional videos, and she'll be sharing her journey with her performances, and also of course she'll be answering some candid questions. So let me welcome Shreya Kapoor from Kanpur. Hey Shreya, welcome to Pep Talk.
Thank you so much for inviting me, and I also enjoy to be a part of the pep talk. Awesome. And have to share my journey with all the people.
Oh, wow. So you're super excited. So what do we do is, like, since you look very excited, and even I'm so happy to see you again in my show. So can we start with your performance, any of your favorite songs?
Okay, sure. Why not? Hello.
Shreya.
Thank you so much.
Beautiful. That's a wonderful song. Beautiful. The Wi-Fi isn't really supporting us, but I still think that we can go ahead with today's live, right? So, Shreya, tell us about your journey. How did you're a school goer right now, and you started performing at a very young age. So, what's this? What's the inspiration?
Actually, if I tell about my journey, so my journey starts with a small auditions,
Okay.
which are going to held in Kanpur only.
Okay.
So my aunt who forced me to do that,
Okay.
and she had seen my interest in singing, so that's why she said to my mom to let her give a chance to just think what did she have to do.
Okay.
By doing this, I have passed that audition and reached to the final auditions.
Okay.
So after doing that, my and father both started supporting me,
Okay.
and then I finally started my musical journey.
Wow.
And that's how when I going to auditions, and my mother and father both going to take me,
Okay.
my real brother, which is twins to me,
Oh,
we both are twins, and we both studied in the same class. So he lives alone in the house, and he always says to me, "You go and have your audition. I will stay alone in the home."
wow.
So this is how my journey started, and I have to have proud that my whole family supports me very well.
Okay.
My mother and parents, they both supported me, and their dreams are also become a passionate singer
Okay.
and a big playback singer also.
Okay.
And I really felt happy that I have my parents support. Many of them can't be able to have.
True, true, true.
I'm very lucky in this that my parents do support me, and I'm going to reach the level which I want.
Wow. Very inspirational. Your family truly deserves an applause from my end because they're supporting you to the fullest. And they see you as a playback singer from right from a very young age, right? So beautiful, beautiful. So when was your first live performance? When did you give your first performance?
My first live performance was in 27 August 2018.
Okay, you remember that song that you performed?
Yes,
Okay, any small bit from that?
sure, why not? So in that audition, I have sung that song which was Kaun Tujhe from the MS Dhoni.
Oh,
Uh,
okay.
yes. For singing, I will say that star from Bollywood industry, Sushant Singh Rajput,
Okay.
and from that I will dedicate this song to him also. So let's start.
Okay. Shreya? Right. Okay. I really don't know. Our stars aren't really on us right now because whenever you're singing, I get that lag or the video is freezed. So we'll do one thing. We'll lessen up the singing part or performing part. Let's go through all your journey of your life, right? Okay, so Shreya, so that was your live performance with Kaun Tujhe from MS Dhoni, right? So why that particular song?
Uh,
Any reason?
because from that time, that picture was released on before 1 month or before that time only.
Okay.
So I don't know about music very well.
Okay.
I don't have a teacher and have a guide
Okay.
itself. I do it myself, and my mother always supports me in this.
Okay.
So she guides me how to do little bit, but
Okay.
I know to sing what I have to.
Okay.
But while singing this song, I have think that I should pick the new songs because this time I'm singing the old melodies of 60s and 90s.
Mm-hmm. Okay.
But that time I know that I have not the interest in that also
All
in
right.
the old songs.
Okay.
Because in the generation, if I go, that's a new song were coming.
Okay.
Almost all the people go through that only.
Right.
So I have go through this only and have picked this song.
Okay. So you go with the trends, going by the trend. What people love, you sing
Yes,
those
yes,
songs. Okay, wow. So
yes,
as you said, you are a self-learned person. You perform all by self-learning, and you also mentioned that you're learning classical music, right? So did it made any
yes.
difference in your singing pattern, learning classical, and then you're singing as a raw singer? Did it made any difference?
Yes, while practicing singing, it was must to learn the classical music
Okay.
because it's a big part of the big part of the music that we have to learn it, and be a part of the classical music is very well for us. It has to maintain our throat also,
Okay.
and we can sing the better songs and the better voice have to.
Okay. So classical music definitely will help you to go further, I guess.
Yes, yes.
Without using your mic, can you just hum any Bollywood classical song? Anything that you have learned in your classes?
Okay. I have
Anything that you
learned that
love.
one. Yes, yes. That's a Lataji's song.
Okay.
That was a Satyam Shivam Sundaram.
Okay.
I will sing the little bit part of
Yes,
that
yes.
also.
Any small mukda which you love.
Okay. रामावध में रामावध में काशी में शिव कान्हा वृंदावन में दया करो प्रभु देखो इनको दया करो प्रभु देखो इनको हर घर के आंगन में राधा मोहन शरणम सत्यम शिवम सुंदरम सत्यम शिवम सुंदरम.
Beautiful. That's an epic movie, Satyam Shivam Sundaram. And this particular song is also very most remarkable from that movie. Well, since you're taking classical music, how important is a mentor? Like, do you think you should need a mentor for your growth?
Yes. While having the mentor, it's an important thing of my life because if I talk about my mentors, my first mentor of my life was my mom.
Okay.
Even for not me, for every child in the world has his mentor like mom.
Right.
So I say that my first must say my singing teacher who teaches me this time,
Okay.
who gives me the lesson of the classical music which I am going to take it, and of music also some parts, and he always teaches me how to go in the correct path, because it's very right to go in the correct path, not in the wrong path.
Okay.
If we go to the singing, everyone, we have seen that most of them are singing, but not without a mentor.
Right. Right.
There's a must need of mentor, because I don't think anyone has to go through this path
Mm-hmm. Okay.
without a mentor.
Okay. So undeniably, it's mother for everyone, the first
Yes,
mentor, and for a
first,
person who's serious in class, in your entertainment music, you definitely need a mentor. That's what you want to say, right?
yes,
Okay. I guess that makes things easier for any performer because mentors makes it easy for us to
yes, yes.
expertise in certain things, right? Okay. So talk about your experience with Colors channel. You have also given some promotional videos,
Yes.
some reality shows. What is it all about?
It's all about my between of my journey also.
Okay.
That when I'm going through these auditions and the platforms, uh, accordingly my this show has come. That the first was the IGT, India's Got Talent
Okay.
promotion show, which was held in the Kanpur,
Uh-huh.
and in that promotion show I was invited as a special performer,
Wow.
and I have gone through that, and after that I have performed in the promotion show of Rising Star.
Okay.
That's also of the Colors TV.
Wow. So you're
So this,
part of the national channels. How do you
yes,
feel? Like you such a young age and you're already part of it,
yes, that was a very proud moment for me itself
right?
when I'm going through that auditions.
Mm-hmm.
And the promotion show was a very big opportunity for me even.
Right, right. So any, do you remember any small song that you performed for that promotional video?
Yes, the one song was remembered.
Okay,
That was a Dhadak song.
okay. Dhadak, okay. Can you, can you sing?
Sure, sure. मरहमी सा चांद है तू, दिल जला सा मैं अंधेरा, एक दूजे के लिए है नींद मेरी, ख्वाब तेरा, तू घटा है फुहार की, मैं घड़ी इंतजार की, अपना मिलना लिखा इसी बरस है ना, जो मेरी मंजिलों को जाती है, तेरे नाम की कोई धड़के ना, जो मेरे दिल को दिल बनाती है, तेरे नाम की कोई सड़क है ना, ओ कोई बांधनी जोड़ा ओढ़ की, बाबुल की गली आऊं छोड़ के, तेरे ही लिए लाऊंगी पिया, 16 साल की प्यार से थामना, डोर बारीक है 7 जन्मों की, पहली तारीख है डोर का ये, और तेरा जुड़ सके भी तड़पेगा, जो मेरी मंजिलों को जाती है, तेरे नाम की कोई धड़के ना, जो
beautiful. How? Shreya, I just felt like, wow, I don't know where I am. Even though the signals are really troubling us, but still you have took me to a distant place. I guess our viewers are also enjoying us. Just can you wave for them? They'll be, they're watching us, people who are watching us.
So I have to say all the viewers a very thank you so much to joining me and the Sudhamai ma'am for pep talk, and thank you to all viewers for giving me such beautiful comments. Thank you so much.
Right. So yeah, now that we are social distancing, I think you're also not doing your performing. Your shows have been cancelled, I guess.
Yes.
So how are you still entertaining your audience? How are you still connected with them?
While connecting, it's through the Facebook live sessions.
Oh, is it? Okay.
Before this pandemic time, we are going to the big shows and going to perform. Many shows have been cancelled due to this.
Okay.
So now I entertain my audience and if I say my friends and my fans by doing these live sessions on the Facebook, on the different pages.
Okay.
And it's a very good opportunity for me also to be connect with all the viewers. Okay. And I got lots of love and support from all of them. Okay. So that's how I entertain all the group members. Okay. By doing this.
So a quick fact, even I followed your page. I love your songs. That's how I felt, okay, Shreya has to be my guest for Pep Talk. Yes. So Shreya, any singers you or musicians you admire that you feel like, okay, if I get a chance, I want to work with this so-called person?
Yes. If I said about my favorite singers, my inspiration, so that was Lata ji,
okay,
Asha Tai, and Shreya Ghoshal ji.
Okay, all three are like such golden voices. You choose all golden voices. Shreya Ghoshal, I can understand you because you are going with the same trend, and we all belong to that generation. So Asha ji and Lata ji, of course, the way you started the song, Ajeeb Dastan hai, then I understood, okay, you must be a big fan. So if you're given a chance to sing with any of these three people, who would you choose? And which song would you sing? A small bit of that song, any?
If I get a chance, so I will sing Asha Tai.
Oh, okay.
Yes. And which song I will sing, that was the Sitaro Mile Chalo.
Okay. Any small mukra from that song?
Sure, why not? तुमको सितारों में ले चलूं, दिल झूम जाए ऐसी बहारों में ले चलूं, आओ हुजूर आओ. So it is sad.
Even that naughty thing that you did, that hiccup, the same. Wow, you do this on stage also? Do you do all that which you just sang?
Yes, yes.
Okay, fine. So if you are like, sometimes there are some things that people keep asking me, or like you come across such statements, I guess. When I say Shreya is coming for my show, my friends have sent, few of them who are not part of music industry or they don't know much about music, they've sent me a few questions, like statements. Just let me know they are true or false. So live performers don't have original voice. They mimic the playback singers. So how true is this?
If I talk about myself, I never do this because I believe in the live singing only.
Okay.
Because I have to entertain the people which are audience which are sitting before me, and I have to entertain them all. So I believe in the live singing, and most of the singers do like this only, lip syncing, and they play their auto tune songs by the karaoke. In the form of karaoke, they play their studio recovering songs. and
Okay.
then they only do the lip sync, and their mic was already off, and they already keep their mic in the position and
Right.
doing the lip syncing.
Okay. And these are the statements made by people who attend concerts and they know the back and front of what concerts are and what singers do on stage. So you have cleared the air that you don't do that, but some of the singers might be doing it, right? Okay, so on stage, what would be the biggest challenge on the stage? These statements, one of the statements one of my friend have sent, like singing on stage is challenging than recording. Is it true?
Yes, it's true for, but if I talk that singing is the challenging to sing on the stage and the big stage in front of the audience.
Okay.
So when I have gone to my first stage show,
Okay.
I have gone to the backstage with my father,
Okay.
and many performances are going on, and I have said to my father that I feel very dare that how do I go to the stage and many lights and many focus are on me only.
Right.
So how do I sing and how do I perform? I also don't know. So
Okay.
my father always says that don't think about that. You
Uh-huh.
think that only you are singing in front of me, and
Okay.
keep singing and keep going. Then I have gone to the stage and just closed my eyes and just started singing. And
Wow.
I also don't know what happened there.
Right.
And I have sing the song, I have performed and gone through the backstage again. Then
Okay.
my father says, you have done the superb performance.
Okay.
And then I seen my recording that yes, it was really when what I'm feeling that was not happened.
Okay.
So after that performance, I have that like daring for me. I have forgot that all
Okay.
really.
Okay.
Now I don't feel dare to sing in front of many of them audience also.
Okay. So you will definitely have evolved yourself from your first stage performance to now. It definitely is a daredevil, stunt for the first timers, I guess. So any tips to aspiring singers who want to get into entertainment industry, like performing as a performers?
So if I give the tips to the singers, I say that I'm also not very good at this stage. I
Right.
also have to learn most of this.
Hmm.
I have listened this sentence from my teacher
Okay.
that music practice never ends. आप
Right.
जितना भी सीखते that how much you will learn, it will not end. So
Okay.
I will say this all to my viewers and all to the if I go to the inspiration. So I will say that music learning was not will be even end.
Okay.
So keep learning music is the most enormous way to connect with the people, and people also enjoy to listen music even when
Right.
they are getting stressed. They always listen the music.
Right.
Music is the one of the most efficient way to connect with peoples and go through their stress free. That's why I choose the music and
Okay.
how I'm going.
Right. So music will never fade away or shade away. It's evergreen.
Yes,
That's your tip to the aspiring singers.
sure.
Awesome. So very good knowing you, Shreya, so far. And here comes a very interesting segment, rapid question round. So are you ready?
Sure.
Okay. So if you aren't singing, so what would you be doing? If you're not
Could
choosing
not get it.
singing as a career, what other things would be you doing?
To me,
Yes?
your voice was not clear.
Okay. If you aren't singing, if you haven't chosen singing as your career, what other fine art or any other talent you would be doing?
If I don't have chosen the singing as my passion, so I will definitely choose my passion as a fashion designer.
Oh, okay. Wonderful. Have you, you look pretty, fashion savvy person and stage, the way you have to present on stage. So it seems like you're also part of any fashion shows, something like that.
I have never done the modeling event.
Okay. Okay.
Uh, if I talk about my first modeling show, I have done in the not in the teen age. This time I'm in the teen age. Before, when I was 12 years and 11 years, I have done my first modeling show, and I have done almost 3 modeling shows. So in the first show, I have got the award for the best eyes, and in the
Okay.
second, I have got the best hair, and in the third, I have got the first runner-up award. These
Oh,
are the 3 modeling awards.
so it seems like you're ready for it, like modeling, music, anywhere you're present, right?
Yes, but my passion is towards only music, not towards the modeling.
Right. So, have you like you're also into making YouTube videos?
Yes.
So, any favorite covers like the subscribers? What comments do you get usually?
Uh, I have stepped the many YouTube videos in my personal channel. So I got a very good responses and subscribers
Okay.
according to me.
Okay.
I got a beautiful comments from the audience also,
Right.
and I want to thank all of them who have supported me since my starting.
Okay.
There are the many people.
Right. So, how is your typical day, Shreya? Like you are a school goer now that you are locked down. Still, how is your typical day? How does it go?
Uh, my typical day, that was, if I talk about the lockdown
Uh-huh.
and that typical day. So my day starts with when I woke up in the 6 o'clock at the morning,
Okay.
and I have to do my riyas, which is must to singers to do. That
Mhm.
was the kharaj riyas. I
Okay.
have to do that, and then I finally woke up, and then I have gone to my studies.
Okay.
Then my online classes were going on.
Okay. Okay.
It's I'm studying in class 10th, and in August only, in the ending of the month, I have having my exams also.
Oh, okay.
So
So you're
I
like any other student except your musical career is exceptional.
yes,
Okay, so like any other student, they will be studying for their board exams and their homework, home tasks, preparing for projects. But music as a practice is more additional for you, I guess.
me before music is my studies. I have to complete my studies first, and then